what I got myself into. Seats, consoles, dashboards, more seats, old dash, new dash, new seats, old door panels, carpet, pieces, light screws. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. We're working our way on around to it. Oh yeah, work to do. Work to do. Give me a week. You just wait. Mm, mm, mm. What have I done? This is crazy. I done went way further than changing some light bulbs. Mm. Oh. Mm. Yeah, he's already done. Clean and new. He's already done. Clean and new. Now I have to do this. These kick panels. This console. These armrests. Center console. Look at that dirty. Oh man, wait till you see when we get done with this. I will see you back here in a few days. Once I get done swapping a few parts. I mean, we got the tools, so. But time to get to work. Time to get to work and wrap this up. Oh yeah, there's stuff everywhere. So, box full of parts. You don't see nothing but eBay. Tubes and parts and tubes and boxes of parts and tubes and lights. And chrome trim and that and speakers and dash parts. My kick rail's another glove box. A brake booster. Yeah. My wheel will be done soon. I gotta switch that lens. That good clean lens with the other cracked lens. And we out.